man.
Maybe.
Maybe Lux.
You look at the torches,
Yeah.
count of torches, and then you count.
I can. Man, it looks like 1,000
Stars
Or-
in sky.
sky. Yeah, it feels like that, man. Hello, guys. We are back. We are back again with new song, and this time I am with my brother, who is Dhruvo. He is a vlogger. He knows everything about cinematography and editing, and he really enjoying my reaction video. That's why he is here with me to react upon a new song of IU live performance, Jam Jam, concert version, and
So,
Puchu is here.
hi.
Okay,
Say hi to camera.
say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So
Well,
without further ado,
And
let's
tell, make subscribe Indian reaction.
make subscribe Indian reaction. Okay, let's do it. Wow, it's a jam.
Just today.
Jam jam.
Confirmed by.
IU. Wow, the audience just cheering with IU, and she's not only performed well every song, every performance, but I feel like she changing her style, man. She looks dope. Wow, the stage. Look at the stage, man. It's
It's fulfill of audience.
full of audience, man. Whoa!
It's a live performance.
Live. Look at the LED, man. It's a massive LED. Wow.
Looks like WWE when WWE.
Yeah,
played,
WWE from Western.
Western.
It's
Upper side will be LED.
LED, yeah.
Everyone was. It's look like similar of WWE.
Massive audience.
And
Yeah. Asked you.
and it's fulfill of audience.
Audience, and they are cheering, and
They are
look at
cheering
them
when she's
singing. Yeah.
singing. Then it's
It's
let's play and we'll
they are waving their light, man.
Smartphone torch.
Smartphone, yes, smartphone
smartphone
torch.
torch. They are waving.
It looks dreamy, man. Wow, I wish I could join them.
And editors was doing absolutely well done. Just
Yeah,
because
man.
torch light was
Yeah.
yellow
Yellow,
or
yeah,
white,
white or
but
red.
but that is
Red. Yeah.
So editors
Red
doing a
with-
great job.
Yeah. Wow. What? Wow. Look at the audience. I just stuck in them, man. It's totally insane. How many are there? 1,000.
Lakhs, maybe.
Lakhs, man.
Maybe.
Lakhs.
You look at the torches,
Yeah.
count of torches, and then you count.
I can. Man, it looks like 1,000
Stars
Or-
in sky.
sky. Yeah, it feels like that, man.
Their torch waves look like beat.
Yeah,
Or
it's like a beat, man. It's they just enjoying the song,
enjoying
man,
the song
and
and they waved their torch with
with
the
her,
song.
it's makes sense. Oh, what a voice, guys. this guy enjoying it. He's just playing it, the drum. No, he's not watching the show, but he's just enjoying playing, and he just doing some ha. So energetic, man. So energy. Whoa. Oh. Underground. Look at them, man.
Everyone was enjoying this music.
Yeah, and the band doing great job, man. Hats up to the band and the visual artists, those who are in, doing this, doing this stuff. The lighting looks terrific, man.
Totally organization
Yeah.
is
Yamaha.
wow.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, Yamaha. Yeah.
He said Yamaha.
Yamaha keyboard.
Just Yamaha Indian or other
It's
side?
Japanese. Japanese company.
But Yamaha is
Yamaha piano.
selling in India.
India also is scooty.
So,
My
scooty.
scooty is a Yamaha
His
Razor.
scooty is Yamaha.
Yamaha Razor. That's
So
it.
that's why he
He-
said Yamaha.
Yamaha.
Yamaha piano.
Whoa. This background vocal. Wow, what a performance by none other than IU. I just love the vibe that they create, the environment, the audience, everything is so perfect that I just fall in love with that, man. It's totally insane. They enjoying it, man. Look at their face. I wish I could in the audience. I wish I will. Someday I will in the
One day
audience.
it
One
will
day.
happen.
It will happen.
But
So-
one thing, it
One
will be happen
If
when you subscribe this channel,
Indian reaction. Then
So
I can make
subscribe
money.
Indian reaction.
Then I can attend the IU concert. That's it, guys. Bye bye. Have a great day. Be positive in your life.
Say
and
bye.
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 Bye. 7 minutes